In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Store network problem. If your Microsoft Store isn't connecting properly, loading slowly, or showing a network-related error, a quick way to troubleshoot it is by resetting a few core Windows network settings. This process helps clear outdated network information and refresh the way Windows handles internet connections, which can often resolve store connectivity issues. To get started, open the Windows search. You can do that by pressing the Windows key and the S key at the same time. In the search bar, type CMD. When command prompt appears in the results, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, go ahead and allow it. This is important because the commands you're about to use need administrator access in order to make system-level network changes. Once the command prompt window opens, you'll enter 3 commands, one at a time, and press Enter after each one. The first command is ipconfig /flush DNS. This clears the DNS cache, which removes stored network address information that may be outdated or corrupted. Next, type netsh winsock reset, then press Enter. This resets the Windows network socket configuration, which can fix connection issues caused by damaged network settings. After that, type netsh int ip reset and press Enter again. This command resets the TCP IP stack, which is one of the main components Windows uses to communicate over the internet. After running all 3 commands, it's a good idea to restart your computer. That helps ensure the changes are fully applied. Once your system comes back on, open Microsoft Store again and check if the network problem has been resolved. If needed, make sure you type each command exactly as shown, since even a small typo can prevent it from working properly.